Ready to embark on a skincare journey if you want to discover the secrets to clear, glowing skin. In this video, we'll delve deep into the world of skincare and reveal all the tips and tricks you need to achieve that flawless complexion you've always aimed for. We've condensed all the secrets of clear skin into just 7 simple steps. No complicated routines or intimidating products. Number 1. Always wash your face before bed. This is an essential step in any skincare routine because it helps eliminate dirt, oil, and makeup that may have accumulated throughout the day. It also gives your skin a chance to breathe and regenerate overnight, so remember to always wash your face before bed for a radiant, fresh complexion in the morning. Start by wetting your face with lukewarm water. Avoid using hot water as it can strip away natural oils. Using circular motions, apply a mild cleanser on your fingers and rub it over your face. Be sure to completely cover your face, including your chin, nose, cheeks, and forehead. Give the T-zone and other areas that are prone to oiliness or breakouts a bit more attention. Rinse off the cleanser with lukewarm water, making sure to remove all traces of the product. Pat dry your face with a fresh towel. Do not massage as this could irritate your skin. Number 2. You are what you eat. Each cell of our body is made up of what we eat. Healthy eating not only improves internal health, but can also have a positive effect on our skin when we nourish our bodies with a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These nutrient-dense foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support skin health and help reduce inflammation. On the other hand, consuming excessive amounts of processed foods, sugary snacks, and greasy foods have the potential to cause skin conditions, including dullness and acne. So, choosing healthy foods can help you achieve and keep clear skin. Create a diet plan that works for you and include homemade, natural smoothies. Consuming salads and juices as well as a rainbow of vibrant fruits and vegetables is beneficial to your health, since it ensures that you are getting a variety of nutrients. Explore a variety of nutritious dishes. Start consuming natural, healthful beverages, stick with it for a month, then switch up. You'll see significant changes in your skin. Number 3. Try the 3-step solution. Dermatologists recommend utilizing a 3-step routine to treat acne: a benzoyl peroxide spot treatment, a salicylic acid cleanser, and a daily moisturizer. Use a salicylic acid-containing cleanser first to help clear clogged pores and get rid of dead skin cells. This chemical, which is great for mild acne, is available over-the-counter in products. Stronger versions require a prescription. However, keep in mind that salicylic acid may cause dryness, redness, and peeling. Next, a benzoyl peroxide spot treatment can aid in combating acne-causing bacteria. It also has exfoliating properties that may cause slight peeling and dryness for mild acne. You may get benzoyl peroxide in many drugstore products without a prescription. A doctor may prescribe creams with larger concentrations of benzoyl peroxide. If you have severe acne, it's best to consult a doctor. Number 4. Workout. When it comes to clear skin, exercise can help by increasing flow and promoting a healthy glow. Sweating during workout can also help clear toxins and unclog pores. Wear loose-fitting clothing when working out, and make sure to wash your skin afterwards to get rid of any sweat and dirt. It's not a good idea to take a shower or a bath directly after working out. Consistency is important. Keep going to the gym, and your skin will thank you with an amazing transformation. Dry your sweat and take a bath later. Number 5. Simplify your skincare routine. When it comes to your skin, it's better to keep things simple and avoid turning a small pimple into a large red problem. Trying many cures at once won't necessarily make a pimple disappear faster. Instead, it may hurt your skin and make things worse. Adopting a basic skincare routine can be very beneficial. You should wash your face twice a day, in the morning and at night, then moisturize your skin type-appropriate moisturizer to keep it hydrated. Don't forget to wear a broad-spectrum sunscreen during the day to protect your skin from the sun. Simple, consistent skincare is the key to happy, healthy skin. Number 6. Stop stressing over acne. Worrying about it might worsen it. It's important to keep in mind that acne is a common skin condition that many people experience. Stress can worsen a person's hormonal balance. Researchers have discovered that when a person is stressed, wounds, including acne, heal significantly more slowly. Try to reduce stress, relax, stay active, and engage in things that you love. Indulge in self-talk and do whatever makes you happy. Number 7. Keep hair products off your face. It's important to keep hair products away your face to avoid any potential pore clogging or breakouts. If you use styling gel or hairspray, it's best to avoid putting them on your face. Hair products frequently contain oils that can cause acne. Instead, use water-based products, which are less likely to clog your pores. Please be careful and keep those hair products away from your lovely face. I hope the video was useful and you enjoyed it.